If you've ever struggled with stubborn lug nuts, wasted time using a manual wrench, or needed a cordless impact wrench for vehicle maintenance, this might be worth a look. After testing it, there are a couple things I really like and a couple things I don't. Stick around to the end and I'll share both. FYI, MAGSEN sent me this product to test, but as always, they'll be my honest thoughts. This is the MAGSEN half-inch cordless impact wrench. It is designed for jobs like tire changes, automotive repairs, garage projects, and general DIY work. It has a motor that provides up to 700 pounds of loosening torque and comes as a complete kit with 2 batteries, a charger, sockets, and a carrying case. The tool actually feels solid in hand and controls are straightforward. I also like having 2 batteries included so you can keep one charging while you're using the other. Now for the things that I love. It has plenty of power for loosening stubborn lug nuts and tackling tougher jobs. It also has an auto stop feature to help prevent nuts and bolts from flying off when you're removing them. It even has variable speeds so that you can adjust your controls depending on your task. Plus, it pretty much has all the sockets that you would need to change the tires on a vehicle, an RV, a trailer, pretty much anything on wheels. Personally, I think this is a great fit for DIYers, homeowners, and anyone who works on their own vehicles, especially if you want one of these bad boys and you're on a budget. Now, as for the things that I don't love, it's a little heavier than some compact models. Secondly, if you're doing light-duty projects around the house, the power may be more than what you need. But if you're working on vehicles, trailers, and tougher projects, those probably won't be major concerns. With all that being said, I look forward to not using manual wrenches anymore when I'm doing oil changes and tire rotations. And I hope this video was helpful.